Check out the Superlift 2-inch leveling kit made for the 2019 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive new body style without the factory air ride suspension. This is a spacer kit. The way this works, you pull out your factory strut assembly, you take it apart, you insert the spacer. Once you assemble everything back together, that will lift the front of your vehicle an additional 2 inches. That's going to get rid of your factory rake. It'll also allow you to upgrade your tire size. You can go up to a 33-inch tire with a 12.5-inch width. Now, this is made right here in the United States out of steel. It's also powder coated, and this is the type of leveling kit you don't have to worry about sagging over time. We ship it for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.